Hi folks, and welcome to DevTrends. Today we're gonna talk about new JavaScript and React electronic books. When we speak about JavaScript and web dev books, there is usually a set of literature that is considered classic and base. And this set includes such books as node.js, JavaScript The Good Parts, Eloquent JavaScript and others. And the latter one recently hit version 3, which means it is now up to date with modern JavaScript syntax and features. Eloquent JavaScript is a comprehensive knowledge base about JavaScript features, patterns and programs. It consists of 3 major parts. First part about language, syntax and features. Second is about browser, environment like DOM and JavaScript interaction with it. And the third part is about server environment on node.js. Each part ends with a practical task of building a project based on knowledge you've got from it. Worth noting that this book is a bit complex one for beginners, so if you just started learning JavaScript, it's better to stick with MDN or WebBoss courses first and then return to Eloquent JavaScript, and you absolutely won't regret it. It is available as a free electronic book. Check description for the link. And another JavaScript book in today's compilation is called Javascript Echo Script Six and Beyond, from 2015 to 2018. This book was created by an Italian developer, Alberto, who was studying new language features and thought it would be a good idea to write articles about the stuff he learns. He then packaged these articles in a book and made it open source. The book covers all the basics of current and upcoming JavaScript features like world-let const, arrow functions, template literals, and many more, some destructuring. And all these things we called S6 and beyond. And worth noting that this book is really easy to read and understand, and if you need a solid and concise list of new ECMAScript stuff, you can find it all here. And the third today's book is about React. It's called React in Patterns, and as title suggests, this is a book about common design patterns that are being used when writing React applications. It is divided into separate parts, each of which covers specific React concept. For example, first part, called Foundation, talks about the very basics of React as a JavaScript framework and its base concepts. How do props work, how components render into the DOM, how events are handled, what is higher order component, what is render props, and more. The next part covers React data flow. So it describes what one direction data flow is, makes intro into Flux and Redux, and how to implement an application based on such architecture. Then comes dependency injection part, and that's especially great that it covers new context API added in React 16.3. And we don't usually accept books to be such up to date, but React in Patterns is one good exception to the rule. Again, you can find the link to the book in the description below. And of course, this is not all the literature about modern JavaScript development, but just some new interesting releases that came out recently. And if you need some more video courses to guide you through all the topics, I won't stop recommending WebBoss videos. He has top-notch courses that cover all the aspects of modern web development. There are both free and paid courses, and paid ones are worth every cent. And if you don't know where to start from, I highly recommend his JavaScript 30 course, in which you build a new tool in JavaScript every day, from easiest to hardest, and thus making yourself more experienced and skillful and already on real practical projects. That's all for today, folks. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for watching and stay trendy.